Hey guys, this is Flood Engineer, and in this video I'll show you how to use the exercise feature in Mi Band 3. Go to exercise. Okay, we are in exercise, and to use this feature, long press over here and start doing your exercise. So you're exercising and now you want to pause it. Long press over here, workout is paused. To resume it, you have to press here, okay, not here. If you long press over here, the workout will be gone. So to resume it, just press over here. The workout is resumed. Now you want to pause it again. Here, the paused. Say you want to end your workout. Now you long press over here. The workout is ended, and as you can see, it says the time is too short to be recorded because this is just a demo. I'm showing how to do it. So if you found this helpful, or if you have any questions, please thumbs up my video or ask your questions in the comment section below. This is Flood Engineer, and I showed you how to use the exercise feature in Mi Band 3. Thanks for watching.